Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to make a quick and easy chia seed drink for weight loss. So to start, we're going to need these few items. 1. A teaspoon in a small mug. A tablespoon in a 500 ml mug. Some evaporated milk. Coffee of your choosing. And whole chia seeds. We'll also need fresh boiling water. Turn on my boiling water and make sure it's boiled. And a tablespoon of the chia. This is what they look like. In this case, a level tablespoon of chia seeds. It goes right into the small mug. And then we'll need to add the boiling water into here, just about half of that, and stir. And what we want to achieve now is to help it to form the gelatinous solution quickly. So we do that by using boiling water. Okay, so just stir, stir. Remember, we've only used 1 level tablespoon of chia seeds. As you can see, it's starting to become gelatinous. Chia seeds swell up and absorb a lot of water and become gelatinous. So it is important to use lots of water to a little bit of chia seeds. In this case, we used 1 level tablespoon of chia seeds to 500 ml of fluid. And that takes about 2 minutes to get gelatinous. Now, as you can see, it has already become gelatinous. So now that it's become gelatinous, we're going to pour it into the bigger container, the bigger cup, the 500 ml cup. And we set that aside. Then we grab the coffee. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of coffee. And add some boiling water to it, about half of this cup as well. Mix it and let that brew for about 30 seconds. And you pour that right into the 500 ml cup that we are using for this drink. Because of the high fiber content of chia seeds, if you consume too much, it may cause constipation, bloating, or gas. It is recommended to have no more than 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Now I'm going to pour some more water into the cup. Just bring it closer so you can see. To about there. And you can see how the chia seeds are looking. I'm going to let that sit for a bit, just so that the chia seeds will become very soft. Although they are already soft and have formed gelatin as we saw earlier, but I would like it to brew a bit more in the boiling water for about 2 minutes before I add the milk. Okay, so now 2 minutes is up. You can see this is the chia coffee mixture already. I've got my evaporated milk here. Alright, I'm just gonna pour it into the cup till it's filled up. Okay. There. And stir. And this is the final product: 500 ml of water to a level tablespoon of chia seeds and a teaspoon of coffee. No simple sugars, no sugar, no sweetener, no honey, just a drink like this. Please note, as a word of caution, do not consume dry chia seeds without soaking them first, because of the risk of obstruction anywhere between the esophagus to the stomach or even the intestines. It's filling. It helps to reduce your feeling of hunger for a long time because of the coffee inside, and also is rich in fiber that would help with your stool because of the chia seeds. I have this in the morning, 2 cups of this for breakfast, and that sorts me out till I'm ready for lunch. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video to friends and family, and please do subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.